the moment of truth. It has arrived. It has arrived. The Clix keyboard with the mouse pad. I am so excited. I ordered this like June 12th or June 2nd, and today is August 12th. So around 2 to 3 months. Like, not bad. Oh, look at the color. Look at the oh my god, look at the size of this thing. It's a monster. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side. This is the big boy, the Clix keyboard. All right, let me move it like this way so you guys can see. All right. Oh my god, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my god. All right, let me take it out of the this thing. Look at that. It's so small. Like, all right, I'll show you guys a comparison. The box is nice too. I also have I think the wiring's inside of here. I'll get that right now. Look at the comparison. All right, so this was my old keyboard. Look at this. It's like, yep, it's only 60% of it. The 60% Clix keyboard. All right, all right. We'll save the good part for last. I got the mouse pad. Look how long this is. Oh my gosh. This is gigantic. Okay, well, hold on. Let me see if I can get this on my desk, and I'll be back. All right, I got it on the table. I had to move a few stuff from my desk because my desk is messy. Anyways, look at this. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can show the camera how big this is. Look at that. It covers up a good like 3/4 of my desk. Actually, I'll show you the keyboard if I can get my camera to. Are you kidding me? All right, we're good. Look at this. It's so tiny. It's like, I don't know what to compare it to, but it's small. All right. Let me get this open. All right, my camera fell again, but we're back. And I have the keyboard. Oh, thought that's it, bro. I swear to God, if they don't. All right, look at this. Bro, stop crackling. All right. Like it's beautiful. I don't know what to say. Like, I'll put it up to the microphone so you can hear. I got blue keys because I swear it was like so hard to even get at one of these keyboards, let alone like get red keys, because my old keyboard was red keys. I got blue keys. I've always wanted blue keys. I heard like some good things about it and some bad things about it. I heard like it's so loud you can hear it from like other rooms and stuff, but you know what? I've always wanted one of these, so yeah, watch. I don't know if you can hear that well. so nice. Yeah, it's so small too. Look at that. Compared to my hands. Oh my god, this feels so good. Alright, I'm gonna hold on. It even came with a nice case. It has like the Clix logo, and then it has like the Matrix logo. Oh, it actually shows right here. Oh wait, you can't see that. Wait, you can't see that. Wait, you can't see that. Okay, well, I think it's because I have my camera inverted, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It says it has 61 keys, USB, switch is blue, the case is red, keycaps red and black. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. I got the black ones on the outside and the red in the inside. I just think it looks better, in my opinion. I know some people really like the black on the inside and the red on the inside. I like this version better. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. It even has the little inside of the box, in this little corner, the thing. It even comes with this thing. I don't know what this thing is. Is it for the keys? I think it might be for the keys. I know this is for the keys. Right? Yeah, this is definitely for the keys. This thing, I'm not sure what this thing is. Probably for the keys too, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep these boxes for a long time. Oh yeah. This is my old mouse pad. It was, hold on. Technical difficulties. All right. This is my old mouse pad compared to the Clix one. It's like there's more to the right, but I don't want my camera to fall again. So I'm just gonna show you guys like that. It's like vertically it's a little bit bigger, like barely. But yeah, no, this is a monster of a mouse pad. Definitely gonna be enjoying that. I have this, the wire, the with I keep forgetting. It says Clix. I don't know why I'm telling you guys that. You guys probably already know. So I'm taking this out of the thing. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Oh, look at that. It's a long cord. Pretty long, not too long, but you know what? We're just gonna plug it in. Nice, everything. Oh, wait, hold on. I have to show you guys exactly. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Let's see where. All right, got it. You guys ready? This is actually insane. This is so good, so nice. Oh my god, that is nice. Oh, so clean. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. This is amazing. Oh man, I'm so excited to use this. Yeah, I don't know what else I should show. I think that's it, really. Oh, the keys are so crispy. I think that's it. This is gonna be like a really short video. I kind of went through it really fast. But I might do a video on like in-game how it performs in game. Maybe I don't know. It depends. We'll see. But for now, that's the Clix keyboard. Beautiful. It does cost quite a bit. It costs quite a bit. It costs like 115, I think. But I definitely think it's worth. Definitely. Oh my god, I just realized. All right, so you see the caps lock? It like, if it's on, then it just like, it's like locked in color, but like if it's not, then it just goes with the color. I don't know. Cool little thing I found out while I was trying to fix my OBS thing. But yeah, you know, we got the mouse pad. We got G-Wolf's Hottie, you know. Definitely one of the best mouse I've ever used. Got the Clix keyboard. Really nice keys. Yeah, that's the Clix keyboard. We'll see if I'm gonna make a video on the gameplay. I don't know. Maybe. Depends. I'm not sure if you guys would care, but you know what? We'll see. Depends. But yeah. Thank you for watching, and peace out.